Meanwhile, tonight, some brand new developments in the reported attack of actor Jussie Smollet. Chicago police tonight are questioning two people of interest in this case, and police are also denying reports that the Empire actor staged the attack in response to his character being written off of the show Empire. Now, the department spokesperson tonight tweeted that they have no evidence to support claims that the incident was a hoax. And 20th Century Fox, which produces Empire, also released a statement tonight denying that Smollet was being taken off of the show. Now, tonight, Smollet says two masked men punched him, put a rope around his neck, and then yelled racist and homophobic slurs as he was walking back to a Chicago apartment last month.